All right, 2.4 notes, solving inequalities. First thing I want to do is add 7 to both sides on the first one. So I get 2x is less than 6, and then divide by 2. So x is less than 3. Write it in interval notation, and that would be negative infinity to 3 with the parentheses. So that's the solution, and then a graph of it would be 3 arrow going left. Letter B, let's subtract 5 from both sides. So I get negative 3x is less than 6. 5 by negative 3. So x is greater than negative 2. So writing that answer, you would have parentheses negative 2 to infinity. So negative 2 here, arrow going right. So while we're looking at this one, let's do a check on this. So let's let x equal 0. That's a number bigger than negative 2. So is 5 minus 3 times 0 less than 11? So is 5 minus 0 would be 5. So is 5 less than 11? The answer is yes. Great job. We are probably correct. So that is our solution. All right, let's look at C. So subtract 6 on both sides on C. You get negative x is greater than or equal to negative 2. 5 by negative 1. So x is less than or equal to 2. So that would be negative infinity until 2, and this time with a bracket. Graph that by doing a bracket at 2, arrow going left. So again, let's do a check on this one. So let's let x equal 0. So is 6 minus 0 greater than or equal to 4? Is 6 bigger than or equal to 4? Yes. Good job. So here is our answer. Right, looking at the next one here, change colors. The green. So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 5. And remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative, you flip the sign. So this is going to be 8 plus 3x is less than or equal to now 20. Subtract 8 on both sides. So we get 3x is less than or equal to 12. Divide by 3. So x is less than or equal to 4. Again, let's do a check on this. So this is really negative infinity until 4 with a bracket. And the graph would be 4 here, arrow going left. And again, let's do a check. So let x equal 0, because that's less than or equal to 4. So that'd be 8 plus 0 over negative 5. Is that greater than or equal to negative 4? And so that would be true. So this is my solution. Those are my solutions, I guess. All right, last example here in this set. I'm going to pull this over here and rewrite it. Let's have more space. So 1/2 x minus 2/3 less than or equal to x plus 4/3. Again, these are those with this fractions, so I'm going to multiply by a common denominator, which is 6. And then reduce each one. So 2 into 6 gives me 3. I need a 6 on this one, the 6 here and the 6 here. So 3 into 6 gives me 2. That doesn't change, and 3 into 6 gives me 2. So now distribute. So this will be here to here. It will be 3 times 1 times x, or 3x. And that's a minus. 2 times 2 will be 4. Less than or equal to 6x plus 2 times a 4 here, 8. I like to work with x's on the left, so I'm going to minus 6x on both sides. So negative 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 8. Add 4 to both sides. So negative 3x is less than or equal to 12. divide by negative 3, x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Let's see what that is. So my final answer would be bracket negative 4 to infinity. Now let's do a check on that. Let's see if that worked with all the manipulations that we did with the problem. Let's see if this works. So let's let x equal 0. So it's 1/2 times 0 minus 2/3 less than or equal to 0 plus 4/3. So that gives me negative 2/3 less than or equal to 4/3, and that answer is yep. So good job.